Welcome to Yamu Kids TV. Learn some colors. First, happy face, smiling. Okay, kids, learn some colors. First, sky blue color. Which color? Sky blue. Orange color. Which color, kids? Orange. Green color. Which color? Green color. Red color. Which color, kids? Red color. Yellow color. Which color? Yellow. Pink color. Which color? Pink color. And blue color. Which color, kids? Blue. Okay, kids. Let's color in the Peppa Pig with computer. Daddy Pig, George, Peppa Pig. Please subscribe my channel, kids. Please subscribe and share. Okay, first, Mommy Pig coloring. Orange color. Which color? Orange. Which color, kids? Orange color. Super coloring. Orange coloring. Maybe dress coloring. Then face pink color. Which color? Pink color. Which color, kids? Pink color. Super coloring. Super. Which color? Pink color. Mommy big face coloring. Then George big face coloring. Then pink. Super coloring. Peppa face coloring. Pink. Super coloring. Super. Which color? Pink color. Please subscribe my channel, kids. Please subscribe. Okay. Color finish. Then George dress color. Blue color. Which color? color? Which color? Yellow. Which color ki? Yellow color. Super coloring. Yellow. Yellow color. Super. Yellow color coloring. Brown color. Brown color mouse. Brown color. Brown color chair. Computer coloring. Lavender. Lavender color system coloring. System coloring. Lavender. Super coloring. Lavender color. Which color keeps? Lavender. Super coloring. Super. Lavender color. Super coloring. Super. Super coloring. Lavender color. Super coloring. Super. Super coloring. System coloring. Super. Finish the coloring. Super coloring. Then system coloring. 1, 2, 3. Green color. Then finally pencil coloring. Sky blue color. Pencil coloring. Super coloring. System coloring. Sky blue color. Pencil coloring. Super. Super coloring. Peppa Pig, Annie Pig, George Pig, it's computer. Super. Please subscribe my channel.